You've been staring at that spinning loading wheel for 10 seconds. Your eye is frozen. Your build crashed. And somewhere in the back of your head, a quiet voice is saying, "It's the laptop." If that sounds painfully familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best HP laptops built specifically for programmers. Whether you're a student writing your first Python script or a senior dev juggling Docker containers and machine learning models, let's get into it. HP Pavilion 15. Let's kick things off with the one that's made for beginners and budget-conscious. Coders, the HP Pavilion 15. This is the laptop that says, "I'm serious about coding, but I'm not going to empty my bank account to prove it." It comes loaded with an Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. In real terms, you can run VS Code, keep a dozen browser tabs open, and still have room to breathe. It handles everyday programming tasks with ease: web development, Python scripts, Git workflows, basic data projects. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is clean and easy on the eyes, and the battery holds up well enough for long work sessions. The honest limitation: it's not built for heavy machine learning or compiling massive code bases, but for where most beginners are starting. This laptop is more than capable. The link is in the description. 2. HP Spectre by 36014. Now, if you want something that turns heads and compiles code without breaking a sweat, meet the HP Spectre by 36014. This is the laptop for the developer who's always on the move. It runs on an Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM and a stunning old touchscreen display. The 2:1 convertible design means you can flip it into tablet mode to sketch out wireframes, jot down architecture diagrams, or take handwritten notes during a client meeting. The old display isn't just pretty, it genuinely reduces eye strain during those late-night coding sessions. And the battery life: it goes the distance. You're looking at all-day performance without hunting for a power outlet. It's the go-to pick for web developers, app developers, and computer science students who want versatility baked right into the machine. The link is in the description. 3. HP Envy 16. Alright, you're a full-stack developer. You've got Android Studio running, a local host server up, 5 browser tabs open, and Spotify in the background. You need something that doesn't even flinch. That's the HP Envy 16. This machine comes configured with up to an Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processor and up to 32 GB of RAM. That's the kind of setup that laughs at heavy workloads. Game development environments, large-scale code bases, data science pipelines. The Envy 16 handles it all without slowing down. The 16-inch display gives you serious screen real estate, which means more code visible at once and less scrolling. It's a productivity gain you feel almost immediately. The only trade-off? It's heavier than the Spectre, so it's not the most portable option. But for raw power at a mid-to-high price point, it absolutely delivers. The link is in the description. 4. HP ZBook Fury 16G11. And now, the big one. You're doing machine learning, running simulations, managing containerized environments, or building at a scale where anything less than elite just won't cut it. You need the HP ZBook Fury 16G11. This is a mobile workstation in the truest sense. We're talking Intel Core i9 processor, massive RAM capacity, up to 8 TB of ultra-fast SSD storage, and dedicated NVIDIA GPU muscle. It runs from boot up to shutdown without ever hitting a wall. It also has workstation-grade build quality, meaning this thing is built for professionals who can't afford downtime. Engineers, data scientists, AI developers. This is your machine. It's not cheap, but for the performance it delivers, it's every penny justified. The link is in the description. So, let's bring it all together. If you're a student or beginner just getting started, the HP Pavilion 15 is your smart, budget-friendly move. If you're a mobile developer who values style and flexibility, the HP Spectre by 36014 is the one. If you're a full-stack or mid-2 senior dev who needs serious multitasking power, go with the HP NV16. And if you're at the professional level, data science, AI large-scale builds, the HP ZBook Fury 16G11 is your machine. Every single link is down in the description. Go check them out, compare the specs, and pick the one that fits your workflow, not someone else's. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, what are you building? I'd love to know. Until next time, keep coding, keep shipping.